Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious mint chocolate chip ice cream. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, and about 1/2 cup of fresh mint leaves. Gently heat the cream and milk with the mint to infuse that wonderful flavor. Remember to strain out the mint leaves for a perfectly smooth base. Once your mint base is prepared, it's crucial to chill it completely. This step ensures your ice cream will churn properly and achieve a wonderfully creamy texture. Aim for at least 4 hours of chilling, or even better, let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Then, pour the cold mixture into your ice cream maker's frozen bowl and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Now for the best part, adding the chocolate chips. You can use about 1 cup of your favorite kind, whether that's semi-sweet, dark, or even milk chocolate. The key is to add them during the last few minutes of churning. This timing helps ensure the chips are evenly distributed throughout the ice cream and don't all sink to the bottom. You'll see them swirl beautifully into the minty base. After churning, your ice cream will have a soft serve consistency. Carefully transfer it to an airtight container, pressing it down gently to remove any air pockets. Then, place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop. Once fully frozen, your delicious homemade mint chocolate chip ice cream is ready to be enjoyed. Grab a spoon or a cone and savor every refreshing bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.